Hi Taurus, I hope you're doing fine. If your sun, moon, rising, that is ascendant, or Venus is in the sign of Taurus, this video is for you. You can refer to your birth chart, your horoscope, and find out where your Taurus is. Okay, if sun, moon, your first house, which is ascendant or lagna or rising, and your Venus are in the sign of Taurus, we are sign, and it is anyways going to bring about an unexpected change in your life, and you will be made to face a crossroad, a major decision, maybe a crossroad. It will bring about some sort of confusion, but this change in wind will be an unexpected one, which may render you a bit confused at a point wherein it is important for you to take a decision. So next, not just this week from 15th to 21st is important for you, but 5-6 more days, probably the next 2 weeks are important for you. And of course, this whole period till 14th of April is very important for you, Taurus. An unexpected change is there. Hopefully that clears the air, but it will probably shake you to an extent that you may find yourself confused at a juncture of, really wanting a break and wanting to come out of it. But understand this card, fork in the road, is actually a card which says that finally the air will be cleared. You will be able to take a decision, and whichever way you go, you will be divinely supported. So that will be fruitful for you. So let's find out more about this change in the wind, this unexpected change coming your way that may shake your base and bring you to a point of change and a decision. So this is for Taurus. We have faith, because Hierophant is a card of faith. It is a card of religious faith, basically, and it is a contract. Okay, so somehow I feel we'll still clarify whether this is to do with your relationship or it is to do with your money matters. But there is a change coming. Probably it is an unexpected one. Will put you in a confused state of mind. There is a third party situation. There is a lot of waiting there. You have done some work. You will definitely, there is yet another thing that, this particular change will actually bring you towards celebration. There is a waiting time, but whatever karma you have created towards getting that work done, that some unexpected change that, we all have a specific way of, and a rigid way of getting some work done in our own ways. But this change in the air is actually suggesting that, things will just topple down, take its own way, some divine order, and you will be at a point of life wherein you finally do nothing but you have to take a decision to wait, because whatever you have done is actually taking you towards this phase of celebration and contract, and something of value settles down in your life. Okay, and if it is to do with relationship, let's find out what this change is, if which side it is it to do mainly with because a change in the road is actually taking you to an unknown place wherein confusion is there. You have to take a decision. There is a waiting time. There is movement towards celebration. Also, Hierophant is a very positive card. It actually says it is a card which says have faith in the divine. Things will be moving towards celebration. So let's find out out more about it. Temperance, 7 of Wands, and 10 of Pentacles. Oh, okay. So yeah, if it is not a third party situation and a marriage issue, marriage thing, or even if you find out a third party situation, it's time to balance have faith in the divine, and whatever karma you have created. If you have given a lot in the relationship, a lot in your work, but still people are not appreciating you or whatever, just maintain your calm, because Temperance is a card of balancing of the two opposites. Okay. Because when you are in the fog, when this card fork in the road comes, it actually talks about two opposing forces taking you into two different directions, and Temperance is actually a card which talks about healing and balancing of those two opposites. Okay. 7 of Wands is a card of defending your own self and not giving up, standing against whatever people I believe somebody is saying something, and some attack is happening, and you're simply at guard and you're defending yourself. So that is why this maintaining of emotions and balancing of your emotions is important. Take only consider and invest your energy on the talks that affect your life for lifelong, not just anything that comes and goes. Okay, what happens is we deviate our energies into various nonsense things. Whatever is important at this point of time, you please deviate, direct your energy towards it, because Temperance is also a card of Sagittarius, and Sagittarius is a sign of dharma. So probably what am I seeing here is, to the best of what you will be actually guided to take a decision that will bring you to the point of practicing dharma, the rightest possible decision, which is not biased towards your benefit only. Okay, it is a decision taken from the side of dharma to protect dharma. Okay, and just don't bother about any sort of criticism or critic or attacks happening. You will be able to nicely defend yourself. And 10 of Pentacles is talking about, finally after that change and everything, you will be able to establish yourself victoriously, because this is also a card which says that you don't give up. 7 of Wands, you don't give up, you're balancing your temperament, you are finally taking a decision, you will be celebrating your life. Hierophant is with you. These unexpected changes probably would have shaken some base of yours, but it is actually taking you towards a better settlement, some achievements. It is actually taking you towards achievements. I would like to draw 2 more cards, because I'm a little worried about this change in the wind. Will that be this whole journey? I want to know how this whole journey will be for you for this week, or for the coming 12, 13 days. 12, 13, 14 days. These are really important for you. 6 of Air, yeah, so I just said, no, you are actually moving from one phase to the other phase, from the turbulent water to a calmer water. So maybe you will travel also, there can be some travel thing also. And coming off Temperance actually suggests that, balancing of that, healing. So 6 of Air is also a card of movement, traveling within, from one phase to the other phase, or maybe traveling somewhere to a different city. Fork on the road is also a card of travel, wherein you get confused. So don't worry, you will be out of this. But yes, the whole journey will be a journey. It will be a journey, So this will be a journey. This will be a lifetime lesson you will be learning this week in the next 12, 13 days. So be ready for that. The end result is definitely fine, but it is a journey. Okay. Yeah, temptation. See, do not, this is a card which talks about just do not give in. It is very easy to give up. 7 of Wands, huh? It is very easy to give up. It is very easy to take a shorter route. Just do not come under any temptation. Okay, you have created karmas, and it is actually taking you towards positive movements of your life. So do not give in to any sort of temptation. Do not get caught up into your head. Be open so that you can handle this whole situation, whatever it is coming. Probably there is a big change. I wouldn't say a major change, but it is definitely a big change for your life, and that will have a long term effect on you. Okay, what is this temptation and six of air? Five of swords, yes. Okay, and tower. Oh, see, tower. So do you see here in the very first card, change in the wind also has a tower. Here you're receiving tower. It is a Scorpio sign. Something major is changing in your life, something that your old patterns will be broken. You will actually come to the realization that what is actually for you and what is actually against you. You will be able to you will learn to stand for your own self and defend yourself. If you have not been able to communicate, please make sure that you come out of your comfort zone. If you really try to come out of your comfort zone, this whole journey will be smoother for you. If you really resist the change, it won't be that good. Okay, you may feel a bit lonely. Lonely as in you may feel that you do not have somebody or whatever, or you may take yourself away from people, because five of swords and six of where did that card go? Six of air. So these two are actually a card of mentally moving away. Okay, and this tower finally comes in to tell you that this temptation that you have been up till now is actually from the lesser self of yours. Do not give in to that. Fight your battle, move ahead, bring in that transformation, come out of your old mold. Do not resist this change in the wind, this unexpected change. Whatever is happening, just accept it, go with the flow. This is a divine thing that probably everything is happening for your good. The whole journey may be a little troublesome, but ultimately it's three of water, it's actually, and 10 of pentacles. So ultimately you are winning your battle at the end. So this journey is actually a battle, maybe for some of you. So Taurus, please take care of yourself. All the very best. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video. And do let me know how the star and Hierophant and three of air, 10 of pentacles working out for you for this week. See you next week. Bye bye.